Pool season is finally here and pool lovers are all wondering the same thing. How do I make cleaning my pool before I swim a little easier? We have Paul Sim from Pivot Pool Products here today to tell us how he can help. Well, so this beauty sitting in front of us, I mean, this is what we're talking about today, right?
That's right. It's a solar-powered robot that helps you clean your swimming pool. It's kind of like a Roomba for your pool. So the idea is you put it in your pool, you turn on the switch, and this thing just runs around your pool 24 hours a day almost, getting all that debris off the surface of the pool before it sinks to the bottom. So it just makes so much difference in cleaning, helping keep your pool clean.
Okay, so I am the daughter of a pool man. My dad owns his own pool company in California, so I grew up skimming the pool, and let me tell you, it is a pain in the behind. So this guy saves you time from doing all of that skimming work, but what's really cool is that it takes it off of the top.
Right.
Rather than the bottom of the pool, like the old traditional vacuums.
Yeah, so most people clean their pool from the bottom, right? The debris floats on the surface, it decays, it sinks to the bottom, and then you have some sort of bottom cleaner that goes around. But by the time it gets to the bottom, it's already created bacteria in your pool, it's already made your pool dirty.
Yeah.
So our thought was, well, let's flip pool cleaning upside down, or right side up.
There you go.
Let's flip it up to the top, and let's focus on getting that debris off the surface before it sinks. So this is really simple to use. Can I show you how it works?
Please, yeah.
Yeah, show you. You put it in your pool, you turn on the switch. These rear paddle wheels are propelling the unit through the water. And then as it's going along, this front paddle wheel scoops up all of the debris and everything that's floating on the surface of your pool, and it stores it inside this debris chamber. It's about twice the size of your skimmer basket, so it holds a lot of stuff. And then this screen filters out pollens, dust particles. You know, the mesquite trees are shedding now, so all those mesquite seeds and everything, this gets filtered out by that filter screen. And the cool thing about the unit, you can just slip that back in place. It locks in place. Nice and easy. These solar panels generate enough power to both run the unit during the day, and then when the sun goes down, it runs at night as well. These solar panels charge a battery while it's running. So when the sun goes down, it runs off of that stored battery power. So on a nice sunny day, this unit will run in your pool pretty much round the clock. So if you think about getting all that debris off the surface of your pool before it sinks, it just helps keep your pool so much cleaner.
So you basically never have to charge this thing.
No, it charges itself. You don't, in fact, there's not even an option to plug it in. The solar panels in the electronic system is designed so that it really operates off solar power. It's self-contained, no cords or hoses or anything like that.
It sounds so easy. That is fantastic. So give me a rough estimate about potentially how much time this baby's gonna save you in terms of cleaning your pool before you get into to do a swim.
Well, yeah, so really, this unit covers a pool in about an hour and a half, an average residential pool. And because it runs pretty much all day, you think about it, it's really covering that pool 10, 12, 15 times a day. So, you know, most times you get home from work, you're going to go out and swim in your pool, and you look at it, and gosh, it's got mesquite stuff and bugs and everything. And so then you're out there, it's 15 minutes to skim your pool, and by the time you're done with that, it's like, or maybe I just don't want to even bother. And a lot of times the kids, it's like, you send them out to play in the pool and they come back in, Dad, there's bugs over there in the pool.
That's no fun.
So this just helps keep your pool nice and sparkly clean so that whenever you want to swim, it's always swim ready.
On a more regular basis. So this is something that when people come over, if you decide kind of at the last minute, hey, we're going to jump in the pool, let's go get in the pool, it's not something that you then have to turn on, you then have to go clean the pool. It's clean because you've had this baby running in there all the time. So you're doing really, really good no matter what, even if your plans change and it's kind of a last minute decision. Okay, so give the viewers more information on where they can find you guys to grab the Ariel.
Well, there's a couple of different websites you can go to, solar-breeze.com, or you can go to arielpool.com. And that's right on our site. And there's a discount code that we're offering. And I'm trying to remember what the discount code is here. Ariel Daily Mix.
Nice.
Is the discount code. I've got my help in the background.
I love it. I love it.
Ariel Daily Mix
Nice.
is the discount code, and you get $60 off the retail price when you order online.
I love it. And you were telling me earlier that even pool guys love this because it makes their job so much easier. So, Dad, we got to get some of your customers one of these. They'll love it.
Absolutely. It takes them 15, 20 minutes less every time they make a weekly visit to get that pool clean if Ariel's in the pool.
Saves them some time. It's eco-friendly. That's so awesome. Thanks so much, Paul.